make sure say when you post me video, you talk it through them when me talk, you know. See somebody just tag King, say King mix up over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the King mix up. Make sure King mix up, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No add in no sugar, no add in no salt. Anyway.
Okay, people, shots fired. Shots been firing. You feel what I'm saying? Jada Kingdom, boyfriend number one. Cause you know I be a man, she have one woman, you see me I say. This the issue of the Shenseea. Wickedly, me not lie to you. Me don't know how dressmaker boy not address this, you know. He see me I say, cause you know I be addressing him deal with, you know what I mean, yo, son. We know that Shenseea and dressmaker boy have been treating Jada Kingdom some type of way. Being that she never have no good management then, you know. But Jada's leveled up. She's on Republic Records, label mate with Drake. You feel what I'm saying? And she has a better deal than Shenseea's 360 deal. You know what I mean? Boy. I be a shots of fire. We see Jada Kingdom fire shot the other day and say, yo, me need my credits. You know what I mean? But enough of me talking. Let's get into what this hombre had to say. Now, speaking about Princess Twinkie, or Twinkle of dancehall, you know, said the dancehall Queen Spice finna remix her Pum Pum song and include Jada Kingdom. Cause remember, me tell you, say Jada Pum Pum now rest, you know. And every single one of them I claim her publicly, you know. From verse to the 18-year-old, to the woman, you see me, I say, boy. But anyway, now speaking about Jada, the queen of dancehall Spice wants to remix her song to include Jada PINKETT Smith, not Kingdom. Pum Pum entanglement, you see me, I say. Boy, Spice, leave that one year alone. Will Smith them look like say them more ignorant than the Kardashians. Anyways, she says Spice official soon reach the studio cause look what Jada Pum Pum Mac will do. And she made us, she posted other tweets like Spice are writing a song about Jada Pum Pum as we speak. Jada have entanglement Pum Pum, will for cry for the Pum Pum, Chris Rock joke on the Pum Pum. So we'll go punch Chris Rock for the Pum Pum. And she said, don't force me to rewrite a Pum Pum Part 2. Drop some remix lines below. I think I have to update this song every single year, I'm not lie. This is definitely a hit song that will be forever trending, you know what I mean? Putting out a comment section some of the lines on the one Spice will include, because you know it's a great scene. Watch the King ting. So, I don't know if any so-called Jamaican flagger run with this, but this was posted March 19th. And he said, yo, let's talk about Muma Jada Kingdom be sliding on these records. Her pen is a effing problem. Sophisticated and unapologetic Caribbean style of music, but for the world though, who else be talking like this? Nobody. And to be honest, this ish is light compared to how we about to be coming for the rest of the year. Digmatized, oh no. Me not lie to you people, that song there, like I said yesterday. It's a good song. I like the way how Jada Kingdom is transitioning in our artists, you know. Yeah, I mean, talent over hype all the way, by the way. Y'all can keep all them features too. I will know a Shenseea I might talk about, you know. I ain't see a feature break an artist in a while unless it's Champagne Poppy on the record. Hashtag money well spent. And you know, I think Russian was trying to get a collaboration with Drake, you know. But Drake probably seeing what we're seeing now ahead of time and say, you know, that guy has heart no blood clot, you know. You know what I mean? Every feature she do no blood clot, hitting her ass, you see me, I say. And then you know the pregnancy rumors on top of that. So Drake, they say, you know, man, I pull out of this, you know. No pun intended. Pulling out. People, let's proceed. Now, it's been a long time since I did a review on Maka Diamond, you know. And I like Maka Diamond, you feel what I'm saying? She's good peoples. Yeah, I mean. And I swung over on her Instagram page and I seen that she was in South Africa on tour. And it's definitely a good look. You know, say, them sessions here mash up the dancehall and get it taken off a reggae chart, you know, because her album flop and all of these things, you know. So it's good that Macka in Africa, you know, I set our foundation and all of these things. You see me, I say. But we're not there just to talk about that. We're there just to talk about people business. Like many Jamaicans, they chimed into the Will Smith smacking the ish out of Chris Rock on the white people them platform. And I did a review last night over on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel with first and foremost Will Smith apology to Chris Rock. But also these hypocrite Jamaicans like Mr. Lex saying that Will would have never do that to a white person, blah, 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 blah. And if you know what I'm saying, as well as Nicki Minaj chiming in too, cause you know, say Meek Mill the disrespect on her husband, Mr. Petty, they want to thump him up, you know. But nevertheless, Maka Diamond is defending Will Smith's actions, so let's take a listen to what she has to say, and then we'll proceed.
Well, you know, may I come to the conclusion about the Will Smith and Chris Rock situation. One on one, half does not the other. You see, if him never do what him do, him would still a get cussing. You know that still talk half an hour and say, Lord, look at the man sit down and make the man this him wife. You know that still have something to say. And when the man do something, it's still a problem. Life is so confusing. The man a defend him woman and it's a problem. And if you never defend her, him is an idiot. You understand? So when you confused, you see one thing with woman, when you get to a man, when you don't realize that love a idiot. Love a idiot. Love a when man start the foolishness. It's when them friend them start say, boy that idiot, him have to go, man, him have to obey him woman, him idiot to him woman. Anytime you see one man start act like and him friend them start talk them with it, him love him woman. Believe me, him love him woman. You see, anytime a man has been allowed to go on with him friend them and disturb him woman and come in and feel like and I love that. So when you see a man that do something for him woman and him really love her, you know in the position, you know how him.
She also said, I understand, but I don't understand if the man never defend him wife. You all will still complain. I love both comedians, Chris Rock, Will Smith. Will Smith's not a comedian, he's an actor. But that joke was for another event, not the Oscars. Boy, this is why black people, for just have them black people thing, you know. And I mean, when white people out there start drop things upon them one another in Ukraine, you know what I mean? That is a bigger world stage, you know. We're always trying to impress the masters or us, you see me I say, but well, like Will Smith said, it was not the joke that got him upset. Is Chris Rock talking ish about his wife's medical condition. You know what I mean? And this is why I don't talk about people's medical conditions, you know? Because it can happen to any one of us. You see me I say. You know what I mean? But anyway, we just proceed, you see me? Now, I posted a video of dancer King Beenie Man and his little princess. You know, father teaching daughter how to fly the spaceship, you feel me? As many of us was taught in a similar position. You know what I mean? I think it's cute, you know. I think all kids should learn how to drive, you see me I say. But me not lie, people, Beenie Man is receiving a lot of backlash because of this clip. You know what I mean? The mothers and the ladies out there is saying that he's endangering the child's welfare, you know, putting out a comment section, people. Is he endangering his daughter's life by teaching her how to drive? You see me, I say? Now, some of the people under my post is saying, so wrong. When she's unattended, she will take the wheel. And that's just kids in general. When they're unattended, they will do things that they're not supposed to do, like go in the kitchen and turn on the stove. Because like so many times, kids watch their mother, fathers, brothers, and sisters, etc., etc., turning on the stove. And you know, kids are intrigued with fire. You feel what I'm saying? So we can't hold Beenie Man accountable for any of that. We just have to show the youths them, you know, only do this with parental consent and when your parent is around, you know. This person said this kid should be in a car seat. Where are the authorities when you need them? Again, people, we need to stop living by the white man's philosophy, you know. I see little white kids, 3 years old, 4 years old, riding dirt bikes and all of these things, horses and all of these things, you know. It's not like, say, she's pressing the gas pedal and the brakes, you know, he's in control of that, you feel me? And you know what I mean? Many of our parents are guilty for teaching us how to drive at that tender age, you see me, I say? You know what I mean? I remember 2 times when me at them age there, me, you know, me I tear up the blood clot highway. You know what I'm saying? Well, not me in the seat by myself, but I'm saying, you know. And this person said this is child endangerment, you know what I mean? People putting out a comment section. What you see about the situation? Because we even see people teach them youths how to shoot guns and all of these things, you know what I mean? Like, I think we need to ease up a little bit, you see me? But you have some people that defend the king thing, you know? Pretty sad. Can't see say some of our parents never have no car and still not know for drive. It's better to teach them from early. Krista CEO said never so too early to start. So if she had drive Benz at this age, by the time she becomes a young lady, it's a spaceship she a fly, yes. I know that me do the review, everybody got run with it. I know people. Me just to try to put up an innocent thing, you know. Stepman cameo captures the moment dancehall king Beenie Man teaches his princess how to fly the spaceship. Putting out a comment section if you think Beenie Man was wrong in doing this, you know. Anyway, I don't want to long out that review any longer. Make sure to go over to my Boom Bye Bye TV channel and check out the latest. We update the Queenie story. She trick with people. She and Dewey still together. I think, you know. And check out Mr. Lex's response to Will Smith saying that he would never hit a white man and all of these things. I'm sure proof of him hitting white man. But nevertheless, like and share the video 1,000 times. It shows your appreciation. I try to reach broader audience and I need your help in doing so. Social media platforms on for share upon WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, I mean, if you're new around the channel and you keep on and watch the videos, them, while you're away, for hit the notification bell and subscribe and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.